Hey everyone, welcome to my channel ASP.NET Core, and today I'm going to show you the next video tutorial of hospital management system in ASP.NET Core. So in this video tutorial I'm going to add some extra attribute in application user class, that is the picture URI. You can say that here we have a public string picture URI where we upload doctor pictures as well as patient and any other users or an employee. So you can see in the web project here we have a identity folder, and in which you can say that here we have a register.cs HTML file. So just copy and paste the register.cs HTML file and change the name, that is doctor register.cs HTML file. And here we have a CSS_HTML of the doctor registration.cs HTML, just a copy paste of the register.cs HTML file. But we can change, we can some change in the doctor registration model. So here we have doctor registration model, and these are the property. And here you can say that I used iWeb host environment -env for uploading the image in www.root folder. So these are the that thing. And input model, just check the input model first of all, add some extra functionality or properties in the doctor's registration.html file. Here we have application user class, that is name, gender, nationality, address, date of birth, specialist, is doctor, any other. And in application user, just copy and paste these files at here. And last one is the iForm file instead of the string file. You can see in the post section, you can add these thing in the post section when the any administrator or to register the admin. So just post section will occurs. Okay, so in the post section you can see name, address, nationality, date of birth, gender, is doctor, specialist. And image operation equals to image, new image operation. What is the image operation? Actually, image operation is means to save the image or upload the image in a www.root folder and upload image and return the file name. Okay, that is the string. And here we have just add that doctor in the role, that is website role dot website dot doctor. You can see in the after that result dot succeeded, you can see. So all these codes are commented because here we are not using email tokens. In later videos I will use this token facility, and just that time will be hidden. Okay, in the created user you can see that here we have application user, and just return activator.create instance, that is application user. Okay, okay, so everything is know about, but you can see in the file upload method in the input model, here we have input property, and just we can say that here we have a input.name, input.address, input.nationality, input.dob, and here all these are. And this is the registered doctor register.cs HTML file. Here we have a default, that is the name, and you can add this name property, and similar like just copy and paste of the division sections from floating to the end of divisions. So here these all properties like name, input.gender, and just I want to bind that gender property with the enumeration list. So just use html.get enum select list gender. And date of birth, address, nationality, these all are in the division section. Just you can copy and paste, but only change in the gender section, that is the html.get enum select list. Okay, so the next thing is to do in the specialist, email, password, and confirm password is there. The whole things are clear in the doctor registration.cs HTML file. In the picture URI you can say that asp4.input.picture URL, and picture URL is actually related to your iForm file. So just you can pick the file from your computer. And here we have input type equals to checkbox, input.isDoctor, input.isDoctor. Okay, Okay, now the next thing is to submit the button, register submit button. After that property, or you can say URL, is added into layout.cs HTML file. Here you can say that that is the ID, and ASP areas, that is identity, ASP page is account, doctor, and this line doctor.cs HTML file. Okay, so everything is clear. That is doc register. Okay, so just add this link in the layout.cs HTML file. Now save this and run your project. So in the utilities folder, you can see that image operations, and that class will save that image in the upload folder in www root folders. That is class we use iWeb host environment and file stream class. So everything is clear. Image upload, iForm file. Okay, so the next thing is to add a doctor in the file. An image will be saved in the image folder. Okay, And if you want to make some registration for the user or the patient, you can say that just you can use register.cshtml file and register in the identities folder. That is the default file. Here you can add the properties of the patient like name, date of birth, city, etc., and some changes in the identity users. So first of all, make application user, and the same thing is the doctor.cshtml file, you can say, but the doctor is created by the admin and the patient is created by the patient itself. So you can see